What's up, everyone? Aubrey Trades here with another pre-market watch list. Top watches for me today are going to be CYBL and Tiggy and Elis. Same as the past few days. Elis really looks like it's starting to come down here. Got these nice little downward trends happening, and I'm really looking, ideally, would love to see this panic down to test 32, look out below at 28. That would be a nice move. Tiggy had this nice little bounce day a little bit, and now what's it want to do? It seems kind of congested. Like, I don't know. Unless this panics back down to 11 or 10, I think I'm just going to let it see what it wants to do. Notice how this bounce ran right up into this resistance zone up here. So that little previous support now becomes resistance. So now we got this little channel-like thing happening. Hopefully we panic, crack down beneath it. Look out for 10. I don't know that 10 would give us that good of a bounce, though. I mean, if we get 10 and then you top out at, I guess 10 to 10.3 is still like a good, still a good play. But we'll see. I don't like that it's congested. I'd love to see this go down, a little bit further, but who knows. And then we have Tiggy, Elis, and CYBL. I'd love to see this down to retest 5 on a panic. It might not, though. This could still be front side, so who knows? Those are my main watches. Otherwise, what's going on in listed land? SDPI spiking again. Oh, I played this yesterday over here. It is back in action, spiking this morning. I kind of like this idea. This was good to me yesterday, so I'm going to go ahead and draw this trend line. We got this basing support here. Dip and rip idea. Look for 140 to hold as support to retest pre-market highs. That's going to be a main watch. I really like that, actually. And then PALT over 12. This thing's spiking again. Interesting. This had that big move up to 15.20 there, and now now it's up from $8, so it's like, I don't know, like it's nice, don't get me wrong, it's nice, but I don't know, like this for me, this is has to be a dip and rip play, and I would definitely look for 880, 890, call it $9 to hold before coming up and going back over 12. But right now this is looking pretty cool. I don't know if this is just like a short cover from anyone that was getting short over here that just didn't like that it's not gapping down so much. Not really sure. Either way, still another thing that's good to watch. What's Blend doing? Wow. Blend just, for some reason or another, is there news on this? Salesforce. Salesforce with Bridgeline. I gotta have my morning coffee. This looks pretty good. Okay. What's going on the daily chart, though? Daily chart looks like garbage. 487, 523 kind of puts us in this range. That's not anything to write home about. IMO. I'm gonna adjust this trend line, though. You see this this nice little structure. See what it wants to do. It's gonna pop out here in this 5 range. And I think it's really important that this holds. If we go back to this 5-minute chart, if I was trying to get into some blid action, you know, maybe dip and rip, and I'd love to see this like downward trend line now become support. Definitely favorite going into the day though is going to be SDPI. I think that's the best setup so far. I like it a lot. PALT also good, but you know, we're probably gonna have some hesitation in this range. I think that's why it's over 12. We'll see what this wants to do. So yeah, real short, not a whole lot on the watch list. Oh, I forgot to mention yesterday, I started a position on MVIS, only because it's getting so close to multi-month support. If you go here, look at this range from like $10 all the way up to 24. Just kind of rubber bands, right? So now that we're getting close to this multi-month support, I'm building out a position. I took a $5 risk yesterday off of 1141 with the idea that I would add up to $20 worth of risk on this ticker, which is my max loss per ticker, as a swing, the closer we get to 10, right? So I actually don't mind if this continues to fade a little bit. It looks like we're rounding off in the pre-market. Sorry guys, I'm tired. It looks like we're rounding off in the pre-market, but who knows? Maybe we slide again. I wouldn't look to do my ads until about this 1050 range. Maybe do another $5 worth of risk with 50 cents, and then if we get closer to 10 even, I could add another $5, you know, within a handful of cents, and then really build out that position. So that's all I got for the pre-market prep. Thank you so much for watching. If you got value out of this video, please hit the like button. Helps out with the YouTube algorithm. Consider subscribing, and let me know in the comments down below what other type of content you want to see from this channel. I'm Aubrey Trades. I will be back later with a trade recap. Again, got to be so careful right now. We're getting dangerously close to account annihilation, which is no good. I don't want that. I want to keep making these videos, so I'm going to be extra cautious out there, as I recommend you do. Now remember, I am like every average trader, and the average trader loses money. So don't do what I do. Be better than me. Aubrey Trades. I'll see you in the next video.